Okay, so continuation to what we were doing. Yeah, there was this question. So we use the contradiction method. So it's a very easy concept to use. So now, in the contradiction method, instead of assuming that this is irrational, we are going to assume that the root of 3 plus the root of 2 is rational. Okay, we are going to make this assumption like this. Okay, so now after making this assumption, this simply means that if in our assumption, if this is rational accordingly to our assumption, then this can be written in the form a over b, where a and b are positive integers and b must not equal 0. You may wonder why, but it's because if we make b equal to 0, then automatically this is undefined. So now, from here we can say that root of 3 plus root of 2 is going to equal a over b. Then we can square this side like this and this side like this. Now we can expand these two guys. When we expand them, they will look like this. When we expand them, then this is going to be a squared over b squared. Now, root of 3 multiplied by root of 3 is 3 plus root of 3 multiplied by 2, it is root of 6. So you know this by now. I did set. Plus root of 2 multiplied by root of 3 is root of 6. Plus root of 2 multiplied by root of 2 is going to be a 2. And this is going to be a to the power 2 over b to the power 2. Okay, like this. So now, this is going to be root of 2 plus root of 2. This is going to be 2 root of 6 plus 5. Okay, so plus 5, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Then equal to a squared over b squared. Now, we can simply say root of 6 equal to, then this is going to be a squared over b squared minus 5, like this, over 1. Okay, like this, over 1. Then we are going to say the root of 6 equal to, now what the common denominator here is simply b to the power 2. This into this is 1. 1 multiplied by a squared is a squared, minus 1 into b to the power 2, it's b to the power 2, multiplied by 5, it is 5b to the power 2. Now we can say over 2. So we are going to have the root of 6 equal to a to the power 2 minus 5b squared over 2b squared. Now, in our assumption, we said this must be rational. But then you discover that these are positive integers. All of them are positive integers. Okay? So whatsoever value that you are going to put at a or at b, it's going to hold. Okay? Therefore, we can simply say that this side is rational, right? But then we know that root of a number that cannot be expressed in the form a over b is irrational. Not that this is irrational. This we have proved before. Okay? Meaning this equal sign is not able to hold. Therefore, we can say that root of 3 plus root of 2 is irrational. So it's as simple as drinking water. Very simple. So those of you that have not yet subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe and make sure that you inbox me on my WhatsApp line so that I'll be able to see the questions that you have for me. So these are tutorials that we're doing today. Make sure that you invite someone to do subscription so that anytime I do update any video, you will be able to receive. Okay. So thank you so much, and thank you so much for your support.